What's going on YouTube? So I made a new shirt design. Right here, I got another clothing rack in my store now. Now I got two. It says this, morph into style. It's a little, another slogan I came up with. See that up close? Morph into style. Then the back, I have the logo. That. And this kind of tank top where it shows more muscle, and I made this one, white and gold, that shows that one shows more muscle, and this one shows less muscle. The morph into style, this. White, clean, fresh, and has the big logo, my second logo, big logo in the back. Also, I did this too, something real quick. I had some vinyl, so I decided to do this. I don't know, I'm thinking about putting these on the website, probably. This one right here. This, the other two I just showed you, I want to put those on the website. You guys can order it. But I also did this, but I think this is a nice, I've been selling a lot of these just like this, like shirts, short sleeve, long sleeve, just like this, and I've been selling a lot of them the past few months, ever since summer. So this tank top, Dynasty Styles, and small lettering with the second logo. So then I got a new garment I made. I made this, I think November. This garment, it's nice and soft. It's a long garment, it's really long. So you guys can see this. It says Dynasty Styles in royal blue. And then it says Yashar Allah right here in the royal blue circle. And it says Stylesnificent. Another cool name I came up with. Stylesnificent. Right there. It says J Dynasty in black. The black circle. And then the first logo in royal blue on the bottom with the beige color fringes and the ribbon of blue. And then on the back of it, I have my second logo. It says Dynasty God, because we are 12 tribes of Israel, we are gods. Psalms 82 verse 6. And I got the 12 tribes, but it's like backwards. So yeah, 12 tribes, I have that. And then I have Stylesnificent in black. Right there, in black. And Forever J Dynasty. Forever J Dynasty right there in the royal blue. And dynastystyles.com right there, website, dynastystyles.com. And Dynasty Guide is on backwards. It's supposed to be on front, facing the other way around. It's alright though. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I have it on. And this is what it looks like when you have it on. It's long,